Hank's forever home. Loni loved dogs more than bouncy balls or sunny days. Every Saturday, she volunteered at the Taney County Animal Shelter. Her favorite job was walking the dogs, feeling the happy tug of the leash in her hand. Her very favorite dog was Hank. Hank was a giant dog with soft, floppy ears and a tail that thumped like a happy drum. He was the sweetest dog in the whole shelter, but because he was so big, people often walked right by his kennel. "Don't you worry, big guy," Loni would whisper to Hank as they strolled through the park. "Your perfect family is out there looking for you." Hank would lean his big, warm body against her legs, happy just to be with his friend. Families came and went. They cooed at the tiny puppies and laughed at the fluffy poodles. But they always seemed to miss the big, quiet dog waiting patiently. Hank would watch them leave, his tail giving one last, hopeful wag before settling on the floor. One bright Saturday, a new family walked in. There was a mom, a dad, and a little boy with a bright red jacket and even brighter eyes. "Welcome," Loni said with her warmest smile. The family looked at all the dogs, but the little boy stopped short in front of Hank's kennel. His eyes went wide. "Wow," he breathed. "He's like a real-life giant teddy bear." The boy's parents came over, smiling at their son's excitement. Could we meet him?" the mom asked. Loni's heart did a happy little leap. "Of course, follow me to the play yard." Loni unclipped the leash. Hank trotted straight to the little boy and gave him a giant, gentle lick right up his chin. The boy didn't shrink away. He giggled and threw his arms around Hank's huge, furry neck. Watching them, the mom and dad looked at each other and knew. "Well," said the dad, placing a hand on his son's shoulder, "I think we just found the newest member of our family." A happy tear slid down Loni's cheek as she watched the family fill out the adoption papers. She gave Hank one last hug. "Goodbye, my friend," she whispered. With his tail wagging a happy rhythm, Hank walked out the door with his new family, finally on his way home.